Today I am so excited because we are going to be installing micro loops again, and the hair that we'll be trying out today is by YWigs. Alongside the hair we got an edges brush to help style our edges, we got a rat tail comb to help with our parting, and we got a pair of pliers to help install the micro loops. Altogether I have 3 bundles of 16-inch hair. Look at all that movement. Yo, I was so excited when I saw that. This texture is perfect for summer. The hair was so lightweight and silky that I could run a rat tail comb through it, and these microlinks are in Yaki texture. Now let's get into the installation. So this is the braiding pattern that I had, and I decided to go for a middle part as I usually do. I also left about a ½ inch of leave out on my edges. I left about ½ inch of leave out on my perimeter too, and a little bit of hair at the back, just so that we can wear this hair in a ponytail if we wanted to. Then I went in and divided the first part. I normally start halfway through my hair. I find it easier doing it that way so that I can kind of gauge how much hair I'm going to have left, and to make sure that I'm not installing too much or too little. And to install the hair, all we do is take one of the micro loops, place your forefinger and thumb in between the loop, grab a piece of hair, pull it through and switch it to the other side, which will leave your own hair in the middle of the loop, and then pull the tab until it comes all the way out. Next, you want to grab your pliers and secure it down, and that's how you install your micro loops. A lot of questions that I get asked is, are these reusable? And yes, they most definitely are. In the box that came with the hair, I always keep the tabs separately, so you don't want to throw them away after you've installed them. Make sure you put them aside, and you can reuse these extensions over and over again. If you would like to see a more in-depth video on how to install micro loops or even Itips, I'll leave all those videos down in the description box below, but this is just a brief run through. And I installed these in record time. 1 hour and 15 minutes it took me. That's the fastest it's ever been for me. I think this may be because my own hair was straight, and plus the extensions were straight as well. This has literally been the easiest install with Microlinks or Itips. Once I am halfway through, I know that I should be about a pack and a half done, and that's how I make sure that my hair is fully balanced and even, to give the hair a nice natural look. The most important tip you need to know about installing microlinks is to make sure that you are not sharing hair and that you have no stray hairs caught in your beads. Your partings could be wonky as hell, but as long as you haven't got stray hairs caught into your beads, you'll be fine. Just take your time and work at your own pace. My hair is actually flat ironed today because I really wanted it to match this hair. Normally I just blow dry my hair, but I felt like the flat iron was going to be needed in this situation. I also didn't flat iron my hair bone straight. I used the flat iron on the lowest heat because these extensions still do have a little bit of texture in them. But honestly, I wish I waited until last because I forgot that I was going to be using so many crocodile clips and sectioning my hair so much that my hair was going to end up with a lot of dents from the braiding and wearing all the crocodile clips and the hairbands. So I had to go ahead and use the flat iron again just to make sure that it blended correctly with the extension. But in the end, everything turns out fine because I just do one pass again and my hair matches the extensions perfectly. I barely had to do any manipulation to get everything to match and look really natural. Once I finish flat ironing my leave out, I go ahead and just put in some simple layers, starting from my chin and working my way down, just to give the hair a little bit of movement and give the hair more of a natural look. Now, this is the results. I am shook. This hair is gorgeous. I am obsessed with microlinks lately. Every month I've literally had new ones in. They are so versatile and incredibly lightweight, you can barely feel them. And unlike wigs, you can wear these in a ponytail. If you are interested in trying out this hair, I'll leave all the information in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!